Hey guys, so this is a tutorial to Hustle by Pink. I'm a huge Pink fan. I love how she's so empowering, and I love this sassy little song. So we're going to start, if you come to the studio, I say facing the windows, but we're going to start and to the side, and our front leg on the verse is going to step. You want to kind of be low because it's like you're creeping. So you're going to step, 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 step. Then your hip is going to pop out for 2, and you're going to come back. Back, change, back, ball change, okay? Let's do that one more time. You're facing the side, and you're going to step, 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 step. Bring it out. 2, and back, ball change, back, ball change, then step up, up, back, back, okay? That's the first part of the verse. Part 2, she says something like, I live my life like a bullet from a gun. So we're gonna step, step, high knees, 1, 2, 3, and on that third, you're gonna pivot. Okay? So you're gonna step, step, 1, 2, 3. And you'll see when I speed it up that it flows a lot smoother than that. I just want you to get the steps. So step, step, 1, 2, 3, step, step, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then you're going to start with the outer leg, start turning. Turn, turn, so your hips make a circle while you're stepping. Anytime I do a turn like that, you might see me kind of start here. So I start here and I turn my hips inward, okay? So I'm gonna turn, bring it in, turn, bring it in, turn, bring it in, and turn, bring it in. So it's actually 4 times. And at first, you don't have to do the arms, but what I'm going to do with my arms, I'm kind of to the side, so I'm going to go up and hips, up and hips, up and hips, and I'm back to the front. Then we start our verse. So our verse goes like this. Kick, 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 ball, change, and kick, 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 ball, change. Okay, so here is the count. For you guys that like counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so I'm not much of a counter, but sped up. Okay, it's gonna look like this. Right, left, and switch, and left, and switch, and right, and switch, and left, and switch. You'll get it. Then, so we're going to do the kicks twice, and then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, step, step. All right, so it goes like this. So you're going to step and clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right? So, in the middle, we have a bridge. So, I'm going to do kind of that pop to the front and then to the side salsa step I always do. So, it's very familiar to you once you get it, but I'm going to break it down again here. I always start on my right foot, guys. I'm completely right-sided. It's one of my many flaws. So, pop the toe up. 1, 2, and salsa. And 2, and salsa. Okay, so it goes a little bit sped up. It's going to go right, left, salsa. Left, right, salsa. Okay, so sometimes after I come out to the side, you're going to see me pop here again. I'm just getting my bearings back. I'm anchoring myself. So then I'm going to go left, right, take it in. Right, left, take it out. Left, right, take it out. Right, left, take it out. There you go, okay? Then It's gonna have like a pause in the music, so I'm gonna slide down real low. Don't hustle me. And I'm gonna snake, heel toe my feet in. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe, and back to our kicks, okay? So let's break it down a little bit quicker for the final time. You're here to the side for the verse. Step out, step, 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 step. Pop that hip for 2, and slide, change, up, back, back, and step, 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 step. Bring it out, and slide back, and step, up, back for 2, and step, step, 1, 2, 3, step, step, 1, 2, 3, and around, and I'm here, kick it, hup, 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 kick, 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 clap it out, step, 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 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're in class with me, which you should be, feel free to talk to me to break it down even further. Enjoy.